Here's how to perform multiple repetitions of a test with the same configuration as the previous one. Tap the three-dot menu and select Add Repetition for the test you'd like to repeat. Run the test as normal. At the summary screen, you may redo the repetition or view the test summary graph for compiled results. Tap any repetition to isolate the selected result. Average values such as average peak force and time to peak force are automatically calculated across all repetitions. Comparing multiple repetitions allows you to assess client consistency, fatigue, and maximal effort, which are all critical in evidence-based progression planning. You can discard and rerun the test to ensure accurate data capture. Repeatable testing delivers the most reliable insight, helping you track performance and plan progression with precision. For more detailed guides, visit our tutorials page on ActivForce.com.